Welcome to my channel. My name is Zvangu. Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are. So today we are going to look at a Shona proverb. Ane Ganda, ane Nyama, hazvienzani neasina. What does this proverb mean? This proverb is similar to the English proverb, half a loaf is better than nothing. So if you have something, you are better off than other people who are worse off, who completely have nothing. So this Shona proverb teaches us to be, grateful for whatever we have, and not to compare ourselves with other people out there, because you never know what other people are going through. And if we were likely to be to be put in one same room and people were to share experiences, you'd end up thinking maybe, no, I'm better off the way I am. So it's merely just to say, if whatever you have, be grateful for whatever you have or whatever you're going through. It may be a situation you're going through. Just look at it, and take it as it is, because there are other people elsewhere who are going through even worse situations. So that's basically what this proverb means. So, like what I always do, I don't end up here. I'll give you a short story, a real life experience that shows you, that clearly explains to you what this Shona proverb means. But before I do that, I just want to give you a gentle reminder to subscribe. And I just want to say a big thank you to those who have subscribed. So just dash out there and grab a cup of tea and come and listen to the story. So see you next time when we look at another Shona proverb. Don't hesitate to leave questions or comments below.
Village nestled between rolling hills, lived a diverse community with varied fortunes. Among them was Maya, a woman of modest means who cherished every possession she owned. Her small cottage, adorned with simplicity, echoed the warmth of contentment. Maya's neighbor, Elias, was a man who, by contrast, struggled with the weight of his ambitions. Despite his relentless efforts, success remained elusive, leaving him with little to call his own. One day, as Elias contemplated his situation, he sought solace in conversation with Maya. Amid the rustling leaves and the tranquil surroundings, Maya shared her perspective. Elias, we may not all be on the same level in life, but there's richness in gratitude. Every possession, no matter how humble, is a treasure. A half a loaf is better than nothing, as they say. Elias pondered her words, realizing the profound truth within them. Maya, with her meager possessions, exuded a sense of abundance that resonated deeply with Elias. He started to appreciate the simple joys around him, the sunsets, the laughter of children, and the companionship of neighbors. As time passed, Elias's outlook shifted. He began to find fulfillment in the little he had, understanding that true wealth lay not only in material abundance, but also in the richness of the human experience. Maya's wisdom became a guiding light, leading Elias to embrace gratitude for what he did possess. The village, once divided by disparities, witnessed a transformation. Maya's humble abode became a symbol of the profound truth that half a loaf is indeed better than nothing. Elias, inspired by this realization, worked to uplift the spirits of those around him, fostering a sense of community and shared appreciation for life's simple blessings. In the end, the village discovered that the measure of one's wealth goes beyond possessions. It is found in the relationships forged, the kindness shared, and the gratitude cultivated. Maya and Elias, once seemingly unequal in their circumstances, found a common ground in embracing the beauty of a life lived with gratitude, proving that in the tapestry of existence, every thread, no matter how small, contributes to the richness of the whole. Hopefully, you now fully understand the Shona proverb. In other words, it means half a loaf is better than nothing. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment.